So this is my Gs350 Lexus. For previous 2 days I have been trying to figure out the issue, that whenever I was trying to turn on my car, like start the car, it was taking a long starter noise, and then it stopped. The start was like stucking very much. If I will show you again, before changing the battery of my car, I will show you how it was doing, making the noise. So if I will turn this on, you can listen.
Ready to pair.
It is not turning on, and you can see battery error, the dashboard as well. So it is now turned on, but it is not good because yesterday the car was not starting at all when I was standing outside the hypermarket, and I was like stuck in between. So I had to go towards the auto market, and then I bought this brand new battery for my Gs350. So right now I'm going to park my car under the shadow because too much hot weather here. So let's change the battery of Gs350 Lexus. So this is the battery 85D26L. You can see this. I'm going to replace the battery. The same battery is already installed in this car, but it is making some issues, and the warranty is already gone and expired, so I'm going to change. And this new battery has 1 year warranty. Solite battery I bought. So let's get started. First I will open the bonnet from here, and then let's open it. So the battery is over here. It looks fine, although green color is there. You can also see that, but the noise and the starting time is more than what normally my car takes. So let's change it. So first I am going to lose these screws, these bolts, and then I will take out these terminals, and then I will replace with the new battery. I have not the suitable size for this one. As you can see, my screwdriver is bigger and the nut is smaller, so I'm going to use my screwdriver to put it here, and then I will do the work. You can see that, like this. Now it is working. This one is also now out. So let's take this out. So this is my old battery. This is the newer one. So you can see both numbers are same, 8526 85 D26L, and this one also same one. So let's put this in here. I'm going to use my right hand because that one is more powerful than my left hand. That's it. Let's put this back. So I'm going to tie these screws now. So the both sides are now tight. They are not moving. They are very strongly fixed inside. I will cover this one, negative one. One thing you need to keep this in mind when you are changing the battery, that the minus and plus should be the same like the previous battery, because so many batteries comes like 85D26L, means this shows the left side, L shows the left side is minus, okay, and If there is R there in the end of your number, like 85D26R, means the minus will be on this side and the plus will be on this side. Okay, so keep this in mind before buying the battery. So you can see my positive is on positive terminal. Okay, so the work has finished. Let's close this bonnet. Put these here and close it. Okay, this old battery the company is going to buy from me for like 25% of the new price. So I'm going to return this one for 25% the price. So let's check by starting the car. How is the new battery? Okay, so the light is there. Okay, let's start the car. Now you can listen the sound. How quickly it started the car. So hope this video is going to help those people who are going to change the battery of Gs350 Lexus 2007 model. The same things came from 2006 to 2007. Oh, sorry, 2011. So all those people who are inside the bracket of 2006 to 2011 can do the same things. But so many cars came with right side terminal, unlike mine which was left. So keep this in mind when you are going to buy the new battery. Okay, so hope this video is going to help. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give like to the video. Okay, let's see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.